Hello guys, good morning. I'm on VIX 101 Ace. Um here's the trade. You can see this is my ASL 0.3, sorry, 3.5 risk each position. So I have like 9 position, meaning if I lose all these 9, I'll be losing $30 that I have. You have 30 I have $33 all right. So if I'm losing everything here, I'll be losing $30. Okay, around $30. So that's why I put the SL here. Okay, so which means I'm risking $30. All right, so this is how I do my trading, which means I'm risking $30. So if market goes against me, I'll be losing $30. Now, you can see my entry. I'll show you guys the reason for the entry. And this is my TP. My TP, I'll be making $20 each position. So if you are lucky, we win. Market gets to attack it, we'll be making $20 each position, which means that will be like almost $200. Okay, that will be like $180 for one position. So hopefully we hit that level. All right, so I've given the signal to the VIP. Let me show you guys the VIP. This is the VIP room. I've given the signal to the VIP guys. All right, I'll be giving them the TP pretty soon. Okay, I'll be giving them the TP very soon. So we are making money, guys. Every day we're making money. So just give them the signal, giving them the charts. We give charts setup. I'll also give TP and SL. I'll be sending the TP pretty soon. You know, VIX 70, Deriv VIX is very volatile, so it moves fast. So instead of me to stand and keep typing the SL and the TP at once, it's better I give them the SL and they give them the signal, then send it down because it's faster. Then I can send them the TP. They know that I mostly have TP 1 and 2, but this time I'll be giving them just one TP. So with the least lot size, you could make $20 each position. Okay, each position. So that's the target. So now, what's the reason for my trade? The reason for my trade would be, let me show you guys. My reason for this trade is we can see, I think I should delete everything here. Let me leave this one. Let me delete everything here. It's very simple. The reason for the trade is very simple. It's very simple. Okay. So first of all, we have to move to a higher time frame. So we have to move to higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, we have, on the 4 hours time frame, we have markets doing something like this. We have higher high, we have higher low, and we have a higher high again. So we'll be having a higher low. So in this time, market didn't come down to this point, stop somewhere here, all right, to create a higher low, and it will be going, it's likely going like this to break this other level. So likely to break this level this time, to move up like that. So that's my prediction. Okay, I'm just predicting that this is the movement, this is what markets will do, because everything we are doing in trading is probability. Can never be 100% certain that market is going your direction. So it's probability. How do I get the probability? Due to what has been happening in the market. Okay, due to what has been happening. Luna, stop. Luna, stop that. Sorry guys, my dog. So due to what I've been seeing in the markets, price action is just about what has been happening before, and you use what is happening now to determine what's going to happen in the future. Okay, due to what you've been seeing in the market. So this is what I've been seeing in the market. That's what I'm doing. So that is price action, as simple as that. We read this chart, okay? This chart, and stop. we read this chart and know exactly what's going to happen in the market. Okay, so now yeah, that's what I'm expecting that will be happening, because it has been happening before over and over. So now I've seen that movement. That's the market direction for me. That's my market direction. Then the next thing I'll be doing, I did is to see a key structure. We have this key level. We have this key level. This is this place, which is this place that market has been reversing before from. Like this place, market has been, you see, market went up and reversed from this level. Let's go back again to the left to see if market had respected this level. You can see market respected this level before, right? Okay, so because of that, I know that that's a strong zone that market is likely going to buy from that level. All right. Okay, so now we also have another level here around this place where market has been respecting. You can see market respected this level. I started buying from here. Market started buying from this level too. All right, market reversed from this level too. So that's a strong level on the charts. Okay, the same thing here. That's a strong level, those two levels. So I see market coming down. Market went up back to this point and bounced off from this zone. Bouncing off from this zone, I now know that it's likely going up again because this is a very strong zone. Then market went up to this level, broke this line, went up back to this line again to retest this line before going up to this point again. So now I've seen market broken. This level has been broken already, invalidated already. The market goes up and down to this point. I know that it will be reversing and start going up, right? It will be reversing and start going up from that zone. So that's why I entered immediately after 1 hour candlestick closed. You can see 1 hour candlestick just closed and I gave the call. I entered from it there. I gave the call. Hopefully we break this level and then up to this point so we make money. And if market goes properly well, I'm likely to leave it to break this level so that I'll be able to make like $300 or more with the $30 I have there on the account. All right. So we're expecting market to break that zone if possible. So I might close some positions. I might close like 9 positions and allow, close like 5 positions and allow some to move. Then I might be targeting this level. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. Hopefully market gives us that. Hopefully. That's our prayers. All right. So yeah, as simple as that, bro. Keep doing that every time. You understand the market and it becomes part of you. It becomes part of you that you don't have to really struggle much to make money. Okay, you don't have to struggle much to make money. So that's simple. That's simple. That's very, very simple. That's simple, guys. Now, after the break of this level, market come back and retest this zone. You can see that from this level, there was a trend. There was a trend here. The market respected. Market broke this trend back to this point, retest this trend and back is going up again. So that's a high probability setup. That's a high probability setup, guys. That's a high probability setup. You can see more reasons. I've gotten so many reasons why I'm taking the trade. So many reasons why I'm taking this trade. Okay, so yeah, first target, that's our target. But if market goes really strong, you see high pressure, then I will be targeting this zone. So around this one, we're making, let's say I'll be making $50 each position. So if I have like 3 positions going there, that means I'll be making 150 plus the $20 I'll be making from 6 positions. That will be 120 plus 150. That is about 270. So that's the target, guys. That's the target. That will be all for now. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, keep practicing. If you don't understand this video, the best thing for you to do is just keep watching this video over and over. You have a better understanding. That's one thing I know about trading. You have a better understanding. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Smash the like button, subscribe, share these video with friends. Let's make money together and grow together. Bye bye.